I brought my portable sketch kit with me, which is always nice to bring out in the field. I have my sketchbook. I always carry a pen with me, watercolor, or it's actually a water brush. There's water in here. Got my watercolor kit and my carrying folio, which has everything stored inside. So it makes everything pretty convenient for just going out in the field and doing some quick sketching. This has a nice hard surface on it, and a clip here so you can use it as a painting surface. Hope you enjoyed that quick look at my travel art kit. Be sure to click on the link below to get your free travel art kit supply checklist. Thanks again, peace, and live an ink-inspired life. See you soon.